In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly in Google Docs, from installing the extension to making the most of its features while writing. If you find yourself constantly double-checking your writing for errors, Grammarly can be a lifesaver. First, let's get started by installing the Grammarly browser extension. For the best results, you'll want to open Google Chrome, as it offers the highest compatibility with Grammarly. Head over to the Chrome Web Store, where you'll find a wealth of tools designed to enhance your browsing experience. In the search bar, type Grammarly and select Grammarly, Grammar Checker, and Writing App. This is your go-to tool for improving writing quality. Click the Add to Chrome button and then confirm that you want to add this extension. Once the installation is complete, you should notice a new icon appearing on your Chrome browser toolbar. It's the Grammarly G logo. Click on this icon, and if you haven't already, sign in to your Grammarly account. Don't worry if you don't have one yet. Creating an account is straightforward and quick. With Grammarly installed, the next step is enabling it specifically in Google Docs. Open up Google Docs and log in with your Google account. Whether you're starting a fresh document or revisiting an old one, Grammarly's insights are just a step away. As you look at your document, spot the Grammarly icon somewhere around the bottom right of your screen. This icon may not be active at first, but we can change that. If the icon appears grayed out or inactive, simply click on the Grammarly icon located on your browser's toolbar. A pop-up will appear, and here's where you ensure that the feature Check for Writing Suggestions in Google Docs is toggled on. Now, Grammarly will automatically kick into gear within your document, marking potential errors and offering advice. As you dive into writing in Google Docs, you'll notice Grammarly starting to make suggestions. It's designed to be intuitive and informative, helping you polish your writing. You'll see red underlines for more pressing grammar or spelling issues, while other colored underlines indicate areas for style, clarity, or engagement improvements. Hover over or click on the underlined text for more detailed feedback. From there, you can review the suggestion and decide whether to accept or dismiss it based on your intentions. At the bottom right, you might see a number next to the Grammarly icon, indicating how many issues it has identified. Clicking this icon will open up a sidebar that details each suggestion, making it easier to address them one by one. For those who use the premium version of Grammarly, you even have extra options like setting writing goals to tailor your content's audience, formality, and tone even further. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped to harness the full potential of Grammarly in Google Docs, ensuring your writing is as refined and effective as possible.